Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the essentials. Type your full Gmail address and password carefully because a stray space or wrong capitalization fails sign-in. Make sure your device clock and date are correct and that you have a stable network. Switch Wi-Fi or use cellular if needed. Once done, open an incognito window or another browser to rule out extension interference. If sign-in succeeds there, the problem is likely a browser setting or add-on rather than your account. Next, verify security settings that commonly block access. You need to check two-step verification. Ensure your backup codes, authenticator app, or registered phone number are available. Then inspect recent account activity and security alerts within your Google account to see if Google blocked a sign-in. This explains many errors. If recovery options aren't reachable or you suspect compromise, reset the password now. Use a strong, unique passphrase and update saved credentials on all devices to prevent repeated failures. Finish by clearing browser cache and cookies, because stale data often causes authentication errors. Restart the browser and try signing in again. If that doesn't work, test on another device or use the official Gmail app to determine whether the issue is device-specific. If you still see an error, record any error codes or messages and go through Google's account recovery flow patiently. Provide accurate recovery answers and recent activity details. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.